One night, while walking in the darkness, I had a brilliant idea and brought it to life. I've created an amazing device. Would you like to see it? I thought, why not create something for the blind? So I grabbed my Arduino and ultrasonic sensor, started coding and testing, and yes, it's actually working. I didn't want a buzzer sound, so I set it to beep progressively louder as I approached a wall, with continuous beeps at the end. Alright, let's dive into the whole process of how I made it. I couldn't find any glasses that fit, so I used my science experiment glasses. First, I attached the ultrasonic sensor, and I had this tiny breadboard that looked really cute, so I thought, why not mount the Arduino on it? Alright, let me explain the pin configuration. I've noted all the pins on the top corner. Then I carefully place the buzzer. It's important to connect the positive and negative properly. Now, another idea popped into my mind. Let's incorporate a vibrator motor. I thought, in case someone is both blind and deaf, a slight vibration at the end could help. Alright, let me securely attach my Arduino board here. It looks great. Now, I'll connect everything and start testing. The wires are a little loose, so I'll secure them with some glue. Let's test it against the wall before trying it on my eyes. Wow, it looks fantastic and works great. I've attached my power bank on top. Alright, now it's time for a complete test. I'll put the power bank in my pocket, wear the glasses, and let's see what happens. I'm pretending to be blind and walking around with these glasses on. Being blind is truly challenging, but with a device like this, there's a bit more possibility to navigate safely. If it's made with even more precision and care, it could be launched on a global level.